Hi guys, it's Mrs. Spearwagon, and we are going to be having another class meeting. So we're going to have it tomorrow afternoon at 4:30 for those people who aren't able to do the morning meeting, and I hope you'll all be able to join. I will be sending out an invitation to you on Remind and also in our Google Classroom. So you can go to either one of those places and just click on the link and you should be able to join our meeting. So I hope that everybody will be able to join. Before we do our next class meeting, I'm going to go ahead and show you some things on my screen here. So if you see right here, when you come into the meeting, you're going to have three little buttons down here. This one looks like a microphone. And so when you come in, you want to make sure your microphone is off or on right here so that you can say hello to your friends and to me. And then I want you to click it off. And I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. So if it's red with a line through it, that means that we can't hear you. And so we're going to do that once we've got everybody in the meeting so that we can hear our friends, and one person is going to talk at a time. The other button is this button right here, this red button. This looks like a phone, and you hang up at the end of the call. So you don't want to click on that until the end of the class meeting, and then you need to click on it to hang up and go out. This one is the video. So if you don't want someone to see you, you would click on that and it would take your picture away so nobody could see you. But we want to see you, so hopefully you'll leave that one on. Up here at the corner on this side, you'll see a thumbs up and you'll see a little person there with their hand up, and then you'll see a little wheel. So this person with their hand up is the way you can raise your hand. So you can click on that, and if you click on that, it will show right here. It says Mary raised her hand, and then I'll call on you because I'll see your hand is up. And just like in the classroom, you might have to wait just a little bit if somebody is talking. And after I call on you, you can put your hand down or I'll click on it. The other thing is this little thumbs up button. And I know last time when we were doing it, we didn't get to use that. If we're going to be asking people to share, and if somebody's sharing something and you like it, you can give them a thumbs up. This is little clapping. So if they said they did something and you're proud of them, it's like, wow, they rode their bike, or they wrote a letter to Mrs. Spearwagon or to a friend, you can clap for them. If you have a question, maybe somebody's sharing and you want to ask a question, instead of unmuting and interrupting, you can click on here and it will come up and I'll know that you have a question to ask and I'll call on you. The other things on here, it says, wow, something you really like. And this is laugh out loud. If somebody says something funny and you want to laugh out loud, you can click on that. So those are the buttons you can use there. Your settings buttons you're not going to need to use, so don't worry about that. Over here, this is a little box. It's got a whole bunch of little boxes on it, and it's a grid. So if this is open, like mine is right now, you'll be able to see all the people in the meeting and see your friends. If it's not open and it has a line through it like that, then you won't be able to see everybody. So if you want to be able to see your friends, you click on that. This tells you how many people are in the meeting, and right now it says 2, but it's really me, and because I'm presenting, it has my presenter is 1. And this little one right here looks like a little note. Over here, you can do chat, and I know when we were doing this, Natalia was chatting with me. So if you wanted to say something and you don't want to unmute and interrupt, you could type something in or have somebody help you. So I'll type in, "Hi, class," and return it, and you'll see it shows up right here. It says, "Hi, class," and everybody can read this chat. So you just want to put things on there that everybody can see. Okay, well, I hope that you'll be able to join us. Remember, the biggest thing will be that we're going to try to take turns and not interrupt our friends, so that when we're talking and we'll get to hear everybody who has something to share. So be thinking about one thing you really want to be able to tell your friends. It could be something exciting that happened to you, something that's maybe been fun or hard, even something sad if you want to share. I know we've had an awful lot going on in the last month since we've been together. So something that you want to share with your friends and with me, for everybody, and then we'll get a chance to share tomorrow. So I hope you can join us, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.